What's up, party people? Hey, everybody. How we doing today? Getting some settings ready. Hey, I'm Adam. I'm a home designer. I draw floor plans for a living. This is all I do almost all day, every day. And so sometimes I go live and draw floor plans with you. Today we're going to be doing a floor plan in Revit. I'm going to do a cabin plan, drive under garage, and I've always wanted to do a really cool, like, we have a little climbing wall area in the basement, but it's 7-foot ceilings, you know, 7.5, whatever. Little bouldering wall, like 3 sheets of plywood. It's fun, but it's nothing big. So I wanted to do a floor plan where there's a bigger, like, bouldering space in there. And so do drive under garage, and then bouldering space behind, and then the main living area upstairs. So we're going to see how this works. We're going to try and do it in Revit. I am not a Revit expert, not even close. I've done a couple projects in Revit, done a couple lives in Revit. So working on getting better at the software, but I am far from fluent. So if you want to hang out, help me along. If you have any questions on how I draw, what I draw, why I'm drawing it that way, I would be happy to help. So let's get to the floor plan. Alex, what's up? Alex is an avid member of the Discord. And if you are wanting to hang out a little more, see what's going on, join the Discord. Link is in my bio. I'll include the link on the YouTube side as well, whichever side you're watching on. Yeah. All right, floor plan. Let's not start in 3D. Let's start on our first floor. Oh wait, actually let's start with elevations. I think I need to add a new level. Okay, so this is going to go down a foot. Actually, no. I'm going to keep that there. Okay. Then, oh, how do I add level? I'll just copy this up. Oh, I did it already. Okay. I want this taskbar to get out of the way. Why won't it minimize for me? All right, so let's edit witness lines of this. Okay, so 10-foot main level will be a slab on grade. That's where the drive under garage will be, and then this will be. Let's see here. Let's do 20-inch floor trusses. It'll make it easier to build. This might be a little more expensive to go floor trusses, but it makes it a lot easier structurally. Yeah, so 20-inch floor truss that should get our span all the way across the garage, which means this level would be 20.75 up, which would be, this would be top subfloor. Second. And let's copy that up again. This will be T plate. Second. Okay, and then for this one, oops. I want this line to be, yeah, we'll do 10-foot main floor ceiling, so 10-foot 1 and 1/8. Okay, so now I got our levels. This should have added, how do I get a second floor plan in here then? We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I need to add another floor plan to this side here. Alex, help. Architecture tab on the right side. Work plane viewer? Nope. Add level. Am I missing this? Am I going crazy? Wow. Okay. Elevation view. Oh, here we go. Maybe. Alex has to be like screaming at his computer. Modify levels, architecture tab. Floor plan is auto-generated. All right, well, let's start with the first floor. I'll go back through. Go to elevation view under datum, add level. There we go. Okay, oh, but I didn't want to do it there. Okay, so we're going to add a level here. Which this will be 02 dash second floor plan. The floor plan didn't pop up here though. Oh, here we go. Do I just need to drag this in here? Or once I start editing on it, it'll go live. All right, let's go back to the first floor plan though. Let's start drawing some walls. Okay, so basic wall exterior. Which exterior do I want? Yes, this one. 24 feet. Let's go 36 deep. 24. Let's move this so we're inside our views. Show a garage door on the front here. 18 by 8, yeah, probably. Okay, this is our big honkin' energy efficiency wall, which has insulation and everything on it. Let's see here. Let's edit type. Just remind myself what I got going on in here. Oh yeah, so I have rigid exterior insulation. I have a air gap, you know, like a whatchamacallit, and then siding on top of that. Okay. So really I want my 24 by 24 to be to the plywood, not that exterior, which is, in this model, would be this line, I believe. There to there. Let's see here. Oh, I'm 25. Okay. Let's go to 24. And then let's equal this garage door on the front here. Oh, wait. I didn't even select the garage door. Okay, then grab that center line. Wall there. And then I think... oh, how do I make these equal again? Yeah, there we go. Boom. Once you add a level, it should show up in the browser. Yeah, I think I got it now. Hey, Meatwad has joined as well. Another avid member of the Discord. If you're jumping in, we're designing a floor plan today. Oh shoot, I need to make sure these walls are the right height. Okay, we got top of slab first. We do not want unconnected. We want top of plate first. Okay. Oh yeah, the Discord equal comment. Awesome. Okay, for those of you on the YouTube side, I am also on TikTok and vice versa. Those of you on TikTok, I'm on YouTube. So yeah, simulcasting to both here. Interior stud wall, we want that garage to be a good depth. Let's go 24 with it. Okay. That's not leaving us a lot of room for our climbing space here and stairs up and all that. Maybe, actually these walls, this is going to be a simple box, so all these walls are going to be 2-story. So we're actually going to go to top of plate second. Okay. Let's see here, what's our overall depth? Come on. Why won't it let me select this line? There we go. $37. So let's go to 42. Okay. Let's come in and draw a floor. Why is that rotated? I'm sure there's some view in here. It lets me... Oh, okay. True north. Is that it? Nope. Alright, well. Okay. Let's make sure the 3D model is one structure. What are these? Oh, those are the levels? Okay. Alright, second floor plan. What do we got? Oh, watching over on the YouTube side as well. Hey, what's up? NXESPO? I don't know if I'm supposed to say that or not. Like if I'm supposed to pronounce it or if it is an acronym. Yep, you can hide those levels. Oh yeah, let's do that. Good call. Just hide in view. Category? Yeah, there we go. Boom. Let's see here. I feel like I should be able to rotate this model. So this is really throwing me off. What is the orientation on this one? Rotation on sheet, none. Why isn't that showing here? Oh, because it's on a sheet. This one probably isn't on a sheet. Okay. Alright, so we want a main living area, a kitchen, and some other fun stuff in here. Does that minimize that? No, it doesn't. Okay. I'm thinking that our kitchenette area needs to be at least... Oh, yeah. Oh, we need to figure out stairs first. Oh, now this moved on me. Weird. Okay. Well. Yeah, it could be the template I'm using. I don't know. I need to figure that out. I'm not going to bore you with that now, though. We want this to the top of subfloor second. apply. This number of risers. Let's delete that and start over. Let's see here. Where do we want these? Straight run staircase. We put it in that back wall. I don't really love that. It's going to eat up a lot of space on the second floor. Basically makes that a hallway. I don't know. It might work. Okay. We'll line those. Yeah, let's try it. Let's see where that gets us. Okay, so then there'll be walls in here. Oh wait, I don't need a 2x6 stud wall now. Wall, so let's do an interior 2x4. And then not an unconnected height top of plate second. Let's dimension that hallway width. Oh. We'll do 4 feet for the hallway. Okay, so then this is bedroom bath area. See, I don't like... Yeah, that's really limiting us. So, let me just talk through what I'm thinking here. If this is our second floor... Oh, why don't I have that full screen? There we go. If this is our second floor... What am I at? Okay. If this is our second floor, if the hallway is all the way to one side, that really limits what we can do. Like, we can't do an office to one side and a bedroom to the other. We can really only do a bedroom up here. And I don't love that. So I might flip this staircase around to get the hallway more centered. And see what that does for us. We might not even have a room for all of this, but at least we can try. Okay. So let's go back to our first floor and edit this staircase. All right, then the landing. Oh man, on the struggle bus today. All right, let's just delete that and start over. I do this a lot in Revit, if you're wondering. And then a landing. Gonna sketch that landing. We'll line those edges. And then this landing should be 4 feet. And then another run. That isn't there though. There we go. Oh. We didn't get the top offset right though. Top of subfloor second. Okay. We need to be 19 treads. There we go. Okay. Goodness. There we go. Okay. So this area, let's adjust those actually. 1 tread maybe. 1 tread difference. Okay. What was that warning? Oh, it disappeared. Must not matter. Kidding. Alex posted a link to some Revit content on the Discord. Yeah, subscribe to the Discord. Link is in the bio. If you want to chat about floor plans and software and all that stuff. If you're just joining, I'm Adam. I'm a home designer. I am a diehard CAD fan. And then I'm working through getting better at Revit. So I'm trying to get some stuff in Revit here so that I can have the option of this software if I were to ever want to switch or anything like that. All right, so let's make this hallway now. So this hallway being 4 feet. This being our bedroom area here. Oops. I can actually cover up a lot of these treads with our bedroom. Okay. So then bedroom being 12 by 13, that's a good size. Potentially a walk-in closet, something like that. Let's copy this over, 4.5 feet. We got room for maybe a bathroom across the hallway there. Yes, we do. Sweet. This hallway could be a little, just on the size of this place, this hallway could be a little narrower. Or do we want to slide all that down and do the office this way? So what if this is like 6 feet? Nope, too much. Or if this is like 8 feet? This is like 8.5 feet. 8.75 feet. There we go. Okay. And this is 3.5. 911. I do like the space of this for an office better. Maybe we need to go slightly wider to get a good bedroom in there. Okay. Yeah. Let's go slightly wider with it. I'm cool with that. Oop. Fat fingers. Okay. 26 feet. That does. Let's put our second floor. Let's close all this. I don't need these right now. Okay. 1111. I like that better now for the size of a bedroom. Okay. And then what I was going to do, let's put a floor in. I actually think I'm going to carve out with trusses some ceiling height through here to get like 9.5 feet for our bouldering wall room right in here. The rest of this would be mudroom and mechanicals and all that, but then this being the bouldering spot. Ever see where they do full-size floor plans? Like the projector. I've seen that on Instagram. The projector, and people walk around, and it looks fun. Yeah, those are cool. All right. Let's cut a section through here as well. I want to be able to see this. Okay. Then let's make our floor. 20-inch floor trusses with subfloor. Perfecto. Oops. We're not going to balloon frame this. So yeah, that would cut into the wall. But then that floor area, we have to cut it out of the stair cavity. Gotcha. So our floor is there. No, don't attach, right? Where's my section? I do want these to attach, though. Maybe I should have had that attach. This is a 20-inch floor truss. Did I do my math wrong? Oh, there's offset from level. That's why. No, I didn't do my math wrong. There we go. Okay, so then I'm actually going to cut this room out. I want to do... Nope, not foundation. I'm going to do my first floor plan. So I'm going to cut that room out and do smaller floor trusses in there through that space. I could either do this as like a beam, a bearing point, or something like that. Sure, I'm going to attach that wall. Okay, let's see here. 3D. Yep. Looking good so far. Yeah, okay. So then we're going to come in and do another floor. And then we want this at top of plate first. Edit type. Oh, cancel. First, we're going to duplicate this. And we are going to do, what, 12-inch floor truss? Okay. And then for editing type, this will just go to 1 foot. Cool beans. And we're going to hit OK. All right, then we're going to make this room our taller ceiling. Which I believe we did that contour. So yeah, as a reminder, there'll be the beam. Or maybe I just make that a bearing wall in the basement, which is nice and easy to run everything left to right. Could put a dumbwaiter in, going to be annoying, carry groceries up. Yeah, I think you're right. I think you'll see VR being used in 3D walkthroughs. I actually had a VR headset for a while that I did that with a client. It was cool. You need an extremely good graphics card. Like I think I had a 3070 at that point, and it was still like, it wasn't, you know, fluid enough to really not make you motion sick or anything. I will say there's no other way, apart from building it, there's no other way to like really get the real feel for whatchamacallit, the real feel for the space than that. All right. Oh, no, not 8 feet, 8 inches. Sorry, trying to do two things at once. Okay. Now let's go to our section. Oh, nope. I didn't get that right. Does it go to the top of floor? Do I just need to do this then? Yep, there we go. Bingo, bango. All right, so I got some extra ceiling height in our climbing area here. I could go more drastic if I wanted. But I'm not right now. That's pretty good for a bouldering wall in that space. 10.9. Yeah, that's awesome. And just make this a bearing wall. Can still be 2x4 because it's only carrying one floor and roof. Or I mean, it wouldn't even be carrying roof because we probably do trusses if we're gonna do floor trusses. So yeah, it could be a 2x4 bearing wall. That would be fine. All right, let's get back to our second floor plan. Well, let's show a door in here. Nope, not that door. I want to do a big... Did I make a big barn door? I did. 4080 barn door. There we go. Is that the one? That's the one. There we go. Single modern barn door. And then, you know, we'd wall off this back area. We'll just take that wall all the way through, I guess. Not really. In reality, the stairs need to cut up through there. It's gonna make the model funky. But. And then another big door for the mechanical space. Nope, not a pocket door. Yeah, so we could do like a built-in bench or something here or before those stairs going up. Nice big barn door into our climbing area. Do a couple windows. Head height, I want it 8 feet. A couple windows in there that we can climb around. That could be fun. Why is that freaking out on me? What did I do? There we go. Yep, windows we can climb around. Doing good so far. Okay, second floor plan. All right, so that's the floor break, but per our section, we don't really see that. Let's see here. Probably one communal bathroom, right? So we have this little office area. These doors can be 3296. Yeah, a little office area. Walk-in closet. I definitely think we're gonna need a communal bathroom then. Second floor plan up to top of plate second. Since this is a shared bath, let's go with 6 feet. Be nice to have that width in there. And then, what's the width of this room? 1511. Not quite wide enough to do walk-in closet on one side, but we can do reach-in closets there. And then make this 25 inches. Okay. This is my job every day working for a home builder. I'm a Revit Pro. Jane Doe, you should, if that is your real name, probably not. You should join the Discord. That would be awesome to have more Revit Pros in there. Talking software and hardware, reviewing floor plans, all that fun stuff. Would you say Revit is easier than AutoCAD? No, definitely not. Because AutoCAD it's really just like Microsoft Paint, but with a couple more tools to keep your lines straight and dimensions and text. Like, AutoCAD is a very, very dumb program. And so what makes AutoCAD hard is you have to know how to assemble a house and how to assemble a floor plan. It doesn't do any of that for you, where Revit kind of helps you in that direction. But I think as a software, Revit is trickier for sure. Patrick on YouTube. Howdy, drafting design student here, learning both AutoCAD and Revit. Your lives help me out so much. Love watching the process. Patrick, I love that you're here. Thank you for watching. That's awesome. Glad to know I can help. All right, let's do... start fleshing out this area some. We should do... I know this area for a bathroom works. 6 foot by 12. That's going to be a nice bathroom. We can do 2 doors on it. One from the bedroom and then one from the hall. You know, if this office needs to double, put like a Murphy bed in there or something. If this needs to double as a guest bedroom or something, your secondary space, you have the room to do that. So yeah, we need to get the kitchen figured out though. So what are we working with in this space here? 18.1 by 24.11. So, what if we did... What if we copied this wall out? I did it again. So, for those of you that are wondering, those of you who watch, you know what exactly what I'm about to say. I work in AutoCAD all day, most days. And AutoCAD defaults to inches as the base measurement, whereas Revit defaults to feet. So a lot of times I will mean to bump something out 48 inches and it goes 48 feet and it's completely outside my view range. Okay, I guess technically that wall, that little wall wouldn't be in there. And then this wall would stop there. Because these guys are only going up to top of plate first. So I'm going to give us a little bit more space in that kitchen dining area. And do like a cantilevered overhang section that we can frame in. Alright, so let's get back to our exterior wall. Exterior siding, 2x6. Top of slab first, up to top of plate first. Okay. Nope, that's the wrong side. Okay, let's see. Am I close in 3D? Oh, dang. Looking like I'd done this before. Let's copy that over. I think that should work to just straight up copy it. Boom. Okay, so then this wall is only going to go to top of plate first as well. Okay. And then let's go to our second floor plan. Change our view range. Right? Where's view range? Base level. Yep. Let's show that. So we can get our wall in here. Ooh. Got some alignment issues, but nothing an align command won't fix. Okay, I think we're square. Almost. 1 second ago, I'm bragging about my ability. The next to draw this. Okay, not a problem though. So it's going to go from top of plate first, top of plate second. There we go. Coolio. Yeah, I've used the align command a ton. Yeah, so back to the differences like difficulty Revit versus AutoCAD. It's probably the best feature of Revit is that it models the building as you're drawing in 2 dimensions. But it's also what makes it the hardest because you have to think about all the ramifications. Like if you draw a line in AutoCAD, it's a line. If you want to make it a wall, you just call it a wall. It's not doing anything else to anywhere else in your model. But in Revit, if you draw a wall, it's going to put a wall somewhere in the model. And then there's joining and constraining and all that stuff that goes on. And you really need to think through it all. Okay, let's take this floor out flush here. We're going to extend that. Maybe attach. I didn't break anything, did I? Cool. All right, so we got our floor coming out. Now we got a lot better room for our kitchen area. And then I want to take out this, go back to none so we can go back to just drafting. Okay. So I think let's do some components here. Probably range. Go on this wall. Oh no, it's gonna work way better if we do this. This side. That's a lot better area for the kitchen. Okay, range on that wall. And then let's do some cabinets. Corner base cab. And then probably want to do dishwasher first. Yeah, let's do that. Dishwasher, then sink is what I'm planning on drawing. So that's a 36 inch dash line here, 36-inch sink base cabinet. And then let's just do another 24-inch on the end there. Okay, and then we probably have room for, well, we probably need to do our fridge on this wall then too. That would make the most sense. I still need to get cabinet componentry figured out. Because I don't have great options for stuff that matches all the way. I think that would probably work. Okay. I think I actually want to extend this wall because that'll make the island a little cleaner. Do a 36 there. Because then we can do, let's see here, that's a 5-foot island. Actually, I want to go bigger than that, even. Do 48. And a lot of times you wouldn't get a 48, you'd probably get two 24s or mix it up a little bit. Your house has a dumbwaiter in it? That's awesome. Yeah, dumbwaiter would be nice. I'm not going to fiddle around with it. Revit, though. I just don't know Revit well enough to do it. I mean, I know I could just make a chase and cut it out of the floor and all that. So that's 7 feet. So I think if I do 6 feet of cabinetry here. Flip that. And we're going to align. Oh. Yeah, let's see here. Just face a cabinet, face a cabinet. We could do 3.5 feet. I've been showing more 4-foot walkways than 3-foot walkways lately. But 3.5 feet, I should say. But 3.5 feet is nice on these smaller plans. Okay. Oh, why didn't that select? We got our island top. We'd have countertop there. Do I have any built-ins in this template? Doesn't look like it. I'm not going to show uppers right now. I don't have built-ins. Probably just do a line, huh? Okay, let's just show a 24-inch deep counter. I'm going to cheat here a little bit. We're going to rotate this. I really like built-in bench seating. I've been showing that a lot lately too. That one's a little more divisive. I think people kind of get grumpy if you show built-in bench seating for sometimes. I don't know why. I like them. I think they're fun. Okay, then we got our great room area here. Oh, I'm about to sneeze. I'm trying to fight it back. Okay, I think we made it. Do I have a table? Coffee table. Okay. Well, let's do the exterior and the roof. We haven't done any of that yet. Let's show a door. I'll probably do... Oh, you know what would be cool is to extend this deck even further out. Do like double sets of doors. And then go like maybe 10 feet out. Is that gonna look weird? Deck is above all that. Let's do a floor then. Yeah, I haven't really built a... We'll just cheat and do a 2x12 floor, even though it's not really. I know where. 6 foot? Is that what we had? Is your offset? Okay. What did we make? Oh yeah, we do want to offset that a little bit. I like to keep negative. I did it again. -4 feet instead of 4 inches. I like to keep a little threshold between all exterior doors and like decks and patios and porches. I find it's a lot easier to manage the water and keep clicking the wrong buttons. Is there a shortcut for attach top? There should be. I wish there were more shortcuts in Revit. Either that or I just don't know them. Sorry, thresholds. The threshold, if you keep the walking surface a little bit below the threshold and do like a step out, I know it's not optimal for everybody, like if you're trying to do 0 entry or something like that. But it can be very nice for people that live in northern climates, because then if like snow or rain builds up there, it's you have like a natural break to help you. You're not really fighting that as much. Okay. Railing. Oh, 3D. Hey, hey, look, a railing. It's floating. Of course it's floating. Yeah. Because I move that deck down. That would, in reality, slide back a little bit. You can see those posts are kind of overhanging that edge. Yeah, all right, roof time. Let's go to the second floor. Draw us a roof. Okay, base level. We want top of plate, second floor. Offset. I want to do at least a foot for an energy heal in those trusses. Okay, and then we need some slope on this. Defines roof slope. Let's try this. Let's just do a monoslope, see how that looks. That could look cool. A little mid-mod. Nice simple structure here. Oops. Nope. There you go. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty clean and straightforward. Could be cool. We can go back though and edit that roof. Let's see if this will look better as peaked roof. Define roof slope. Let's go 12/12s on both of those. That could look cool too. Actually, that's looking pretty steep. What if we just did 10s? Yeah. It doesn't need the 12/12. What do you think? Monoslope or the peaked roof? What would you like? Yeah, getting through to messages here. I have another Alex in the chat. Would love to see you rework our second story. Potentially. I do like floor plan reviews for people. I have a link for that in my bio too. Check it out. Or join the Discord and share your thoughts there. Oh, Alex also votes for 12/12. Link in bio. Thank you, Meatwad. Meatwad for the win. Other Alex, OG Alex, says, I have a friend that wants a deck over basement edition. My concern is drainage. Yeesh. Yeah, I would be concerned with that too. Trying to think. So I've done a lot of, not a lot, but some front porches, like a concrete front porch, concrete stoop that is then over like a wine cellar area or something like that. I think they make corrugated metal decking that's designed to pour concrete over. It's used a lot in commercial applications. I'd almost recommend going that route and having a full-on... Oh, no. Sorry. I have done a handful of decks over floor area as well, which we did EDPM membrane. You build the structure for the deck, EDPM membrane, and then tapered sleepers that then the decking sits on. So, yeah, one of those options. Sweet. Any other questions? I'm going to wrap up here shortly, I think. Pretty close in the floor plan. I'm not going to do a deep dive into the bathrooms and stuff. We're getting close to an hour anyway. But yeah, I think this works. It's a fun one. I got my little climbing area. I'm a happy camper. Could even do a vaulted in the great room area, which would be super cool. Yep. All right. Anybody last minute questions? Type them out fast. No, so I don't have... I'd ask about rendering. I don't have any... Well, I'm in Revit Lite right now. So Revit Lite doesn't allow plugins. I heard there's a way to like work around it. I'm not really sure how that is. I'm actually exploring. I think I might buy for Black Friday. I might get the full version of Revit so I can start to use Enscape and render these, because I have a couple clients coming up that might want 3D interior walkthroughs as well, and it just makes sense to do it all in Revit if you're going to go to that level instead of rebuilding it in SketchUp. So yeah, working on it. But no, I don't have rendering stuff yet for all that. All right. I'm going to call it a day. Thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, join the Discord. And link is in the bio or video description. And yeah, I'll see you all shortly. Last minute questions. I just closed out YouTube.